In today's video, I'm going to teach you about Venmo Buyer Protection with a full breakdown of how it works and whether it might suit your needs. Venmo's Buyer Protection is a feature designed to help safeguard your transactions when using Venmo debit cards, business profiles, and certain in-app purchases or QR code payments. It's especially useful if you're using Venmo to pay for goods or services, so if you're wondering what happens when something goes wrong with your purchase, you're covered. Venmo promises to investigate eligible transactions thoroughly, and they work closely with the seller to rectify the situation. If all else fails, Venmo might reimburse you for what you paid, including original shipping costs. It's comforting to know that purchase protection kicks in when you face common issues like receiving an item that's not as described, dealing with damage that occurred during shipping, missing parts, or if your purchase doesn't arrive at all. These assurances make using Venmo for purchases a lot more appealing, even when dealing with new or unfamiliar sellers. Now let's delve into some real user experiences to give you a clearer picture of what you might expect. One user took to Reddit to share their positive experience. They were relieved when, after encountering an issue, their case was resolved within 16 days, and they successfully got their money back. They noted, quite satisfied, that utilizing Venmo purchase protection was a beneficial choice for them. However, it's important to acknowledge that experiences can vary. Another user recounted a less favorable situation, mentioning that they wish the dispute process had been quicker. Despite this, they remained satisfied with the outcome in the end. This serves as a reminder that while Venmo's purchase protection can be a robust safety net, the timeframes for resolution can differ widely based on individual circumstances. In conclusion, Venmo's purchase protection generally offers a reliable safety net for buyers engaging in transactions with authorized merchants. It provides peace of mind for many, with numerous users reporting successful case resolutions. Still, it's crucial to verify that your transaction falls under eligible protection criteria and to be prepared for potential variations in how quickly disputes may be settled. Understanding these nuances can significantly enhance your experience with Venmo, especially when navigating purchases that you're keen to ensure are secure. I hope this breakdown has been helpful and gives you confidence in understanding how Venmo can work to protect your purchases.